सर एक बात कर सकते हैं सर?
कुछ प्रिपरेशन है?
ये जो मीटिंग है,
हाँ
this was to generally see the state of preparedness for the Lok Sabha election,
ओके
especially since the work of voters registration is going on. So we have taken stock of the situation. We find that the Chief Electoral Officer and his team, they are doing the work as per the procedure. Most of the work is complete and the publication of the draft rules will take place on 4th of January. Other than that, we also reviewed the availability of EVM, VVPAT and the awareness program, the sweep program which is being undertaken by the CO. The objective is to involve the community and the people at large to make them understand the various procedures. If there are some changes which have taken place in the procedures, people should become familiar with those changes, and also to see that all the important stakeholders, including the political parties, they are satisfied with the procedures which are being followed and the progress that has been achieved.
Sir, one more thing. There are anything on Bipol because there are 2 seats vacancy.
No, there is this visit is not connected with that.
Okay.
This is only to review the general state of preparedness.
As far as police is concerned, if Lok Sabha elections are held, how much police officials?
पूरी तैयारी है, हम बाकी तैयारियां कर रहे हैं।
हाँ